Hi, I'm Phil from Factory Sound. I'm part of the team that was involved in the creation of where we're standing at the moment. My role in this was everything from the programming and somewhat hardware selection through to the integration and automation of the system, really trying to fit the brief that we were given, which was a lovely high-spec, fully controllable professional-grade theatre that was also simple and easy to use from non-technical individuals and people such as teachers running their own presentation. So we've tried to account for both ends of the spectrum, make it as easy to use as possible whilst also not losing any of the complexity that an external company or someone using a full-spec theatre would expect. We've certainly had feedback secondhand from some of the teachers. I think initially when someone walks into this room and are told that they will be presenting or they will be running a class here, there's a lot of panicked look on the face. And then I think once people got comfortable with pushing buttons, the inability to break the system from a simple point of view, so distilling everything down to touchscreens with bright colours, easy to follow text, actually came back through as feedback that it's been fantastic for the easy user to use and hasn't really hamstrung or inhibited any of the professional end users that have hired the hall and run an event here. So the NEXO line array that's in place here was chosen specifically for its ability to suit every purpose that this room required. So its intelligibility for speech and fairly straightforward school-based functions, so an assembly or an evening, right the way through to the full dynamic range that you really would expect. Obviously it's not quite concert venue, but we're certainly aiming to get up there. You could have a full high dynamic range rock band on stage and nothing will suffer in the room. It really does tick all the boxes and is perfect for the choice. From an overall perspective, obviously, this is a huge investment on behalf of the school and everybody, so a massive consideration from us, particularly around the audio system, was choosing something with longevity, so something that isn't going to need to be supplemented or replaced in 2 to 5 years because it's either just not a good build quality. You'll often find the French manufacturer is very well known for looking at specifics in terms of build quality and just generally standards across the board. So it really does make the NEXO rig sing in here and gives us the confidence that this will still be here for years to come. I don't believe any hired PA would need to come into here to supplement what's already here. They really have a full audio system for every possible requirement.